Make a great choice today with the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, quad seating, all-wheel drive, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, navigation system, XM satellite radio, power liftgate. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.